Hi y'all, I just wanted to pop in and say that I did not know that this video was going to be so short, but I still wanted to post it because it's like a little like diary entry or whatever. So just enjoy, you know, the montages of everything. Yeah, comment down below what videos you would like to see from me, and yeah, enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you.
Hey y'all, I have not gotten a chance to speak to y'all all day, and boy am I tired. Got off work and this is what I got. You're welcome. Take a screenshot. Long day, very, very long day for me. Tomorrow might be a longer one, but I just got off work. It's 6:08. I'm jacking it. I didn't just get off work. I got off work, sat in my car for like 2 minutes, found the nearest Starbucks, came here, got my Starbucks, ate my Danish, drank some drink. So it's been like 20-30 minutes, give or take a few. I got out of work like 5:40. Y'all, this stuff is no joke. It's cool, it's chilling, it's a very easy job, but damn, this is grown women things, bro. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get home. If I don't just like collapse on my bed, because my bed is calling my name. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I just want to go to slumber. But I'm actually gonna vlog like the rest of my day, even if I don't do anything, because this is a vlog. It's a very, you know, maybe short vlog, maybe very montagey vlog. But oh my gosh, I gotta go. It's about to rain. Don't drink this too fast or you're gonna brain freeze.